How's it guys? If your Yoku Kumo or Yoku Kumo print card machine is not connecting to its unlimited 4G connection, the built-in mobile network, it might be that your device is actually stuck in airplane mode. Now you can see that by looking at the home screen, and there's a big red warning label here. Looks like you're offline, and if you look in the top right hand corner there is a small airplane symbol. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix that. So today we're going to have a look at how to fix the issue on both the Yoku Kumo and the Yoku Kumo print card machines. Now in a previous video about the Yoku devices, if you missed those, I'll leave links in the description where we did a review and some basic testing of the machines. Go check those out. But Melanie Pillay, or Melanie Pillay, I'm not sure if I'm saying your name correctly, she had the problem where her device was stuck in airplane mode. So it's quite a simple fix. All we need to do is turn off airplane mode. However, if we go into the settings, we can't actually access the airplane mode switch. So I'm going to show you a workaround for that. But before I do, please guys, if you are interested in up to 100 Rand discount on your next Yoku purchase, use the link in the description below. It's my personal referral link. I'd really appreciate it. And there's no funny business. It will take you through directly to the official Yoku website. They will handle the rest of the purchase from there. Also, if you've already got all of your Yoku devices, give the video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, let us know what you think about them. I'd also appreciate it if you click the super thanks icon below the video. It really does help me to continue bringing these videos to you. Okay, let's have a look at that fix. So we can see that both devices are not connected to their mobile networks, and it says on both of them, looks like you're offline in this big red block. Also in the top right hand corner is the little airplane signal or icon. That means we're in airplane mode. So starting with the Yoku Kumo, to fix this problem we head over to settings, top left, click on connection, and then at the bottom we click on Wi-Fi, and at the bottom left here we click on see more. Top right, there's a small magnifying glass. We can click on that, and then we'll type airplane. So even if we just type air, it brings up airplane mode. We select that, and now it brings up the network and internet settings. And we can see the fifth item down here is airplane mode. We can see that it is currently on, and all we need to do is turn it off. Then in the top right hand corner, all of a sudden there, our mobile networks are connected. And if we now go back to our home screen, we just go back, out of connection, out of settings. And now we can see our red warning sign is gone. And in the top right hand corner, we are connected once again. And we can confirm this by going into settings, connection 4G, scrolling down to the bottom, clicking on network status, and it says connected to MTN SA, or if you are connected to Vodacom, it would say connected to Vodacom. So that is how we fix the problem on the Yoku Kumo. But on the Yoku Kumo print, it is slightly different. So you can also see we are offline. It looks like you're offline. In the top right hand corner, we've got the little airplane symbol. So we head over to settings, top left, click on connection. Well, there we go. Click on connection. Click on Wi-Fi, and it brings up our Wi-Fi menu. Now what we do is we click back, and we can see now it says airplane mode is on. And if we actually go onto the second menu here, it says network and internet. If we click on that, we go all the way down to the bottom to advanced. We click on that, and we can see airplane mode, and the little button is currently on. So we just turn that off, and we can go back, come on, back, and now we can see we can't go back anymore, and we are in the basic Android settings. So this little square in the bottom corner here, we just click on that, and we scroll down, and we head back over to the Yoku app. We can click on that, and then we can go back out of connection, out of settings, and then we can see our device, our card machine, is now connected to the 4G networks. To confirm this, we can head over to settings, connection 4G, again, scroll to the bottom, maybe not click on Wi-Fi. Let's just go back there, and we might just have to do that whole procedure again. We go back to the Yoku app, we scroll to the bottom to network status, and it says connected to MTN SA. And it is as simple as that. All we needed to do was to turn off the airplane mode. I'm not exactly sure why sometimes it might default to this. Maybe Yoku is busy working on a fix, I'm not sure, but hopefully that helps some of you out. So remember to also check out those other Yoku card machine videos on the channel. Also, don't forget about that 100 Rand discount that you guys can get by using the referral link in the description below. I really would appreciate it. I hope you guys found the video useful. Let us know in the comments what you think. Give the video a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching. My name is Burton. This is the Burton Build Studio, and you guys will see me in the next video. Cheers.